Hey, welcome back. So it's morning 16th of July and I am at the Simple Service Center. Now in the previous video you guys know that I faced an issue about the motor just turning off when I was riding with the pillar. So I was like I'll head to the service center today. And then when I was heading here, वो हो गया मेरे साथ एक और बार, okay? But I was a single rider. So what exactly happened is I was cruising at 78-80 speed in the sonic mode, and that time suddenly the motor turned off. As in the previous video वो तो off होके on हो रहा था, but I had to stop in order to accelerate. But this time the motor just turned off. I'll attach the video. So the switch was also not off. So when we turn off the ignition, the red switch, it shows, right? Turn on the switch and press brake and then press the ignition switch to turn on. It was showing that. So I stopped and then tried to switch it on. वो on ही नहीं हो रहा था. Then I turned off the bike, waited for 15-20 seconds, then turned it on, then switched worked. So I just reached at 9 in the service center, and then I explained everything to the technicians. So the technician went and took a huge round. He went around 15 kilometers and he came. He didn't face the similar issue, but I showed him the video. Yes, now let's see. He's trying to diagnose it. I'll tell you what we do. And when I spoke with the service manager, he told me this is the first bike in Goa which has happened like this. So let's see what resolution we get. So you can join our Telegram group where we are discussing. We have the Telegram group for all the Simple One owners and the wannabe Simple One owners all over India. We have discussions about everything, range, issues, everything. So people there have faced this when we updated to SimpleOS 2.0.2. Now they are trying to diagnose it. Let's see what resolution we come to. So thank God that I had taken the video at the right moment. If you see, वहाँ पे 16th July, which is today, at 8:55 AM. So they checked everything, system लगा के, they checked the battery temperature, the motor temperature, the cells temperature, BMS, then the controller MCU का सब temperature they checked the health also, battery health, motor health, everything. They didn't find everything. All the stats were up to the mark and in the good condition, in their range. So then he spoke with the other technician guy who is from the headquarters. He told to check the timing, what time it happened and everything. Thankfully वो इस पे record हुआ है video पे, and I have sent it to them. Now let's see. They are going to raise it with the headquarters, and वो लोग headquarters पे via the cloud they'll check on the system कि at 8:55 क्या आया था error. Now I'm hoping that this doesn't happen more, because they just restarted, they tested everything from their system and they did it. Now if you guys face this similar issue or any other bugs, make sure to record it, record the time, the date and the time, so that what the technicians told me, if they are not able to find anything on the system or anything, then it is sent to the headquarters. So headquarters, since the scooter is connected via cloud, headquarters को उनको they get everything, each and every smallest issue. So they need to investigate for a particular time. Now consider there's something happened and you have a CCTV. You need to know the time, right? So in order to search. So same way, if any bug or anything happens, for your safety, make sure to shoot a video, okay? Or just note the time, and based on that, then it will be helpful for you guys as well, okay? And helpful for the service center as well. Now let's see if I get any heads up, I will let you know, guys. So till then, this was the update for the Gen 2, my Neptune, okay, for this sort of, not a breakdown, but this bug. Let me know, guys, if you Gen 2 or Gen the Ultra or the Gen 1.5 who have shifted to Gen 2 software OS have faced this problem, okay? Because I am the first one, as they mentioned me, in Goa who got this issue. So let me know, guys, in the comments. So stay connected, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you all are notified about the next update with respect to this. So till then, ride safe, drive safe, bye bye.